Hello, this is another video for the day. Same background as the last one because I'm just doing two back to back here really quick. This one is a love video, and it's all about love. And it's about how much I love that one dude that dislikes all my videos. It's actually pretty comical. It makes you laugh every time I see it. It seems like every time YouTube sends out a thing, so and so has a new video. And that person's quick when they go, ding. So apparently, somebody that dislikes me enough that they had to subscribe to my videos to find out when I do them so that they can go in and dislike them every time. And honestly, I love it. I love it. I love it because that person who's so immature and hates me so much that they have to go in there just to smile like, fuck you, Dom, and hit that one negative like every time, is forced to see my name every time I post a video. He has to get an alert. And so I'm always here reminding him that I'm here. And I love it. It's great. So regardless whether you like or dislike my videos, I'm going to keep making them. Probably even more because the more I get at those kind of people, the more motivated I am to keep doing what I'm doing. And so that's good for people that actually care about stuff. Let me show you. This is really cool. So like a lot of my videos look like this. Handful of thumbs up, one thumbs down. Most videos in my channel have exactly one. There's a couple that have two. Those are probably ones where I had some opinion or some controversial thing. But even videos where it's completely factual, there's no opinion in there, anything like that, one negative, and it's great. So thank you, whoever you are. I have some suspicions, but whoever you are, thank you. I'm glad that you get to see my face and read my name and deal with that just so you can click that dislike button. That's totally awesome. So this video is for you. This video is totally for you, and I hope you like it. Um, the channel is going to continue having videos, especially spring break and this summer. I'm starting to do more things like the green screen. You can see here I got the green screen going on, and a little more stuff with pictures that I can pop up and take down and teach. That's ultimately the goal, right? Is to inform everybody. So I hope you guys are as excited about it as I am. I know that I'll never be some YouTube hit or sensation, but enough people that want to know about Subaru stuff, and a lot of cars in general, can learn about Subaru stuff and other cars in general. Um, and that's it. So like, dislike, subscribe, tell me to fuck off, whatever. I love it all. I appreciate it. It just keeps me going. And then if you have anything you would like me to cover in a video, please feel free to either email me at dominic@getadomtune.com. You can go to my website if you remember that, just getadomtune.com. Or comment in these videos. I do get alerts when comments are made in the videos. So if you got some questions, then I'll try and answer them as best as I can, and unless the channel blows up and I get millions, then obviously I can't do it, which ain't gonna happen. So for the most part, you'll be able to be pretty personally involved in the video making process or any question that you may have. But you know, if you troll me, I'm just gonna ignore you. So as long as you want to have some fun, you want to learn some stuff, then I'm here for you, and I'll try and make videos that cover topics. There's only a few things I think that I won't cover, and those might be either trade secrets or too personal or something. I don't know. But so far, I haven't told anybody no. So that's good. I guess that's it. So put your request below, share it, don't share it, do whatever. I'm still gonna be here. So hope you have a good weekend. See you.